Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to Global Public School online classes. In our previous class we started a new lesson, that's the earth, our living planet, and we also studied about in which planet we are living and what is the size of our planet. What are the shape of our planet, and from the sun in which position our planet is there, and what do we call our planet with the different names, and why do we call that, all that we studied. But in our today's class we are going to study little further how many continents we have and how many oceans we have, and all that we are going to study here. See, the first concept which we are going to study here is we have a 7 continents on our earth, that is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia, and out of which the largest one is Asia and the smallest one is Africa. So these are the 7 continents. And the second thing is, on the earth we have the 4 type of oceans: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, see here, the Pacific Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. So you can see here the Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean, and this is the Arctic Ocean, and this is the Pacific Ocean, the 4 oceans which we have on our earth. And the next what we are going to study here is the earth has been divided into 2 parts. One is the northern hemisphere and the another one is the southern hemisphere. Why we have divided this? What is the main reason? Let's see here. The northern hemisphere has a 60% of the land. So it has a 60% of the land and 40% of the land, 40% of the water, sorry. 60% of the land, 40% of the water. That's why it is called as the land hemisphere. So the northern part of the earth is called as the land hemisphere because it has more percentage of the land and less percentage of water. So the next comes up here is southern hemisphere, and this southern hemisphere is called as the water hemisphere because it contains 81% of the water and 19% of land. That is why it is called as the water hemisphere. So this is the land hemisphere. Northern hemisphere is also called as the land hemisphere because it contains 60% of the land and 40% of water. Southern hemisphere is called as the water hemisphere because it contains 81% of the water and 19% of land. Understood, students? I want you to read this concept again and again, and in this class the homework for you is I want you to draw the 7 continents of the world and name it and write the largest and the biggest one and write the 4 oceans of earth, and then write what do you mean by southern hemisphere, why do we call that as a what do you mean by northern hemisphere, why do we call that as a land hemisphere, what do you mean by southern hemisphere, why do we call that as a water hemisphere. I want you to write the meaning and the reason behind this. Okay, students? And the next part of that latitudes and longitudes, all that we are going to study in our next class. Till then, students, signing off. Take care, stay safe, stay home, but make sure you keep your learning button on and write the homework and submit that through the Google Classroom app. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me at any point of time. And till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz, students.